Welcome to homework.
This is the answer to Chapter 15, problem number 25 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And this problem says when HBr adds to this alkene that I've drawn here, under radical conditions, two radicals are possible products in the first step of chain propagation. Draw the structure of both radicals and indicate which one is formed. Then draw the preferred product from HBr addition under radical conditions. Okay, and so we should remember that in addition of HBr under radical conditions, the bromine adds first to form the more stable radical, and then the hydrogen is added to the carbon radical. And so here we can form potentially two radicals. So, okay, so our two possibilities are this. So the bromine can add first and add here. And actually, I'm gonna do this like this with the letters. Might make it a little easier to visualize. So let me redraw the starting material too. Okay, so there's the starting material. And then we can have this. So if the bromine adds to the left side carbon, we will have this radical after the first step. Or if the bromine adds to the right side carbon, we then have this radical. And so taking a look at these radicals, what we see is that this is a primary radical, and this is a tertiary radical. And so the tertiary radical is going to be more stable. And so the more stable one is always the one that's going to form. So the more stable one is the one that forms. And therefore, this will be the one that leads to our final product after addition of the hydrogen. And that final product looks like this. All right. So again, we have the possibility of either of these radicals forming. When we draw them out and look at them, the one on the left is primary, the one on the right is tertiary. Tertiary is significantly more stable than primary. The more stable radical will always be the one that forms, and so the tertiary one is the one that will form, and therefore we get the product after formation of that more stable radical. And that's the answer to chapter 15, problem number 25.